Annie, this is so annoying. How can somebody have the effrontery to collect my daughter's phone? What kind of school is this?
I gbọ́dọ̀ máa jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé teacher ni wá. Láti tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ. Nǹkan tá fi dá school lẹ̀ náà ni láti tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ yín.
Your teacher?
Màá pè yín. My honorable ma. Rama.
Hello.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. Ma. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you collect my daughter's phone?
Yes, ma. I collected your daughter's phone.
If I may ask, why?
We are busy teaching while your daughter was pressing phone, searching for Instagram page. So I collected the phone. I just seeked the phone, not as if I collected. I just seeked that phone. My aim was that to give her back when I'm done with the teaching.
Sorry. Are you sure you are the class teacher?
I am.
Look at your spoken English.
I'm one of the class teachers.
Do you know how big and fantastic the school is?
Yes, I know.
Oh my God. You know what? You are mad. And the second one is, you also complain about my daughter's hair?
Yes, she didn't plant her hair.
Do you know that the cost of her hair can buy your whole generation?
Hey!
Yes. Goodness.
Sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
No. Just say you're sorry to yourself. Where are you from?
You mean my local government, ma?
Of course.
Alubata local government, ma.
Yeah! Alu what?
Alubata, ma.
Oh my God. What's your name?
My name is Naomi, ma.
Alubata Naomi. That does not commiserate.
Yes, my name is Nosimo, but they changed it for me in the school to Naomi.
Oh my God, they changed it for me in the school. Oh my goodness! Who employed you? You were supposed to be a cleaner, not a teacher.
How fast do we hear of this?
The girls! Look at her spoken English. Are you sure she's your teacher?
I am, ma.
You have the effrontery and the audacity to complain about my daughter checking her Instagram? Tell me, we are in the civilized world. During your own time, and guess what? Kilo fa olenu ya.
Emma Benuma, sorry, ma.
Do you know where I am?
I know you are an honorable, ma.
Oh, you know?
Yeah, honorable, ma.
And you have the audacity to complain about my daughter's movement, freedom. Show me human rights, Wadi. Don't you know that? Goodness, this is becoming unbearable.
I'm very sorry.
Oh, just say you're sorry for yourself. Oh, goodness. You'll be sacked. Trust me. Oh, sorry, this is a very big school. I'm so disappointed in the proprietress.
Hey, I'm sorry, ma. I'm very sorry, ma.
Nothing more.
Mommy, please.
Oh, who is this? Who is he?
I'm the big one.
You must be stupid.
Hey,
oh, goodness.
Sorry, ma.
Goodness. Who are these people? I'm paying 3 million plus in this school. Who are this set of people?
Sorry, ma'am.
Oh, goodness. Sorry, you'll be sacked. Trust me, that's a promise.
Yeah.
You will be going to be sacked.
Yeah, I'm sorry, ma'am.
Oh, so sorry. Hello, good afternoon.
Honorable.
Hey.
Honorable.
Not what?
Yeah.
What?
Not Simon Naomi. Not Simon.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah, I'm sorry,
goodness.
Honorable. Honorable, please, I'm very sorry.
Please, just go.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. Oh, my God. Oh, goodness.
Ijoma, Mama, Daro, no, Machano, me, Sakimo, get my. Don't know about weekend. She got to push a party. Oh, my dear, for the class in the Batimo call, Clochello. Oh, I'm on Instagram. Don't know. She got to push a party in the class.
Àǹtí Naomi, kì í ṣe pé tẹ̀sí bá dì í. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ máa béèrè ọ̀nà kẹ́ tó tọ̀ àrè aláǹgbá kó bá wọ̀wọ̀ akàn tí kò bá béèrè ẹ̀yìn ló máa fi rìn. Ẹ mọ̀ pé lórí burúkú kò fẹ́ràn lórí ire. Ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí àwọn òbí àwọn rè bá yé ọmọ wọn jẹ́. Dédé wọn ẹ ṣe yẹn kó lè dùn mọ́ wọn nú. Wọ́n fẹ́ spend owó wọn. Do you know that I was one a teacher here? Ẹ̀yin kò gbọ́tọ̀ yẹn rí.
Teacher ni tẹ́lẹ̀.
Yorùbá ni mò ń kọ́ wọn. Èdè Ẹ̀gbá ni mo fi ń kọ́ wọn ní Yorùbá. Ìgbà kọ́kọ́ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n pè dé ẹnu mi lọ. Ìgbà dé máa lọ máa bọ̀. Ṣebí sweet gum ni mo gbà lóyún ẹnu ọmọ student kan. Pé oúnjẹ sweet gum lórí assembly pàṣàpàṣà òun ló dẹ̀ wà níwájú. Ó dẹ̀ wà pé dédé wọn ń ṣe níbí ni wọ́n ń wò lórí nẹ́ẹ̀tì. N kò sọ́jú gbẹ́yẹ ọlọ́kọ̀ gba lẹ́nu o. Etí mẹ́jọ ni wọ́n gbá mi. Ìgbìmọ̀ máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ tí mo bẹ̀bẹ̀ ọpẹ́ náà pé Aláàfin ikú bàbá yèyè tó ẹsẹ̀ lọ́sẹ̀ lọ́ba àwọn bàbá ẹ̀ tó sẹ̀ pass out yìí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
gbàǹjà la bá pé bàbá ẹgbà mi jẹ́ kò ní tọ́ lẹ́nu yìí bàbá wa wá bí wọ́n bá mi bẹ̀ wọ́n pè fún practice wọ́n bá mi bẹ̀ wọ́n. àṣẹ̀yìnwá àṣẹ̀yìnbọ̀ irun já fi irun só ilẹ̀kẹ̀ já tó ń tò wí bí wọ́n máa dájọ́ mi wọ́n ṣe já mi sẹ́nu géètì òdìdí tíṣà.
ṣé mi ò ti ṣe tó bá ìta ló ní gbẹ fóònù lọ́wọ́ mi o.
ọ̀pá má tra iye o.
ẹ lè bí pé mi mẹ́rin gbáko ni mo lọ kí n tó rí sẹ́nu skul.
èmi àní mo ti pé èmi ṣé ó dáa kí mi tíṣà tí mo ní sàtífíkẹ́tì ẹ sì kì í máa wá tíkẹ́tì.
wúmọ̀ yẹn ti máa fẹsẹ̀ fẹ́ tẹ́sí o. fired.
ṣẹ́bẹ̀ mi náà ń protect pé kọ́ máa sọ pé skul ò dáa ìwọ̀nba ní skul lè ṣe mọ́ òbí gangan ló máa tọ́mọ nílé ìyá rẹ̀ mo ṣe.
wọ́n ta wá ní tíṣà.
àwọn kò mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Naomi lè jẹ́ ní orúkọ wo.
Nọ́símọ̀ lórúkọ mi proprietress ló ní kí n sọ di Naomi pé nítorí àwọn ọmọ olówó tó wà ní skul yìí wọ́n lè rorúkọ yẹn pé dáadáa.
Nọ́símọ̀ tún lè ń jẹ́.
Nọ́símọ̀ ni.
Nọ́símọ̀ tún lè ń jẹ́.
ayé ìkó balansi o.
kí ló dé tẹ wọ́n rẹ̀.
ìgbà tí mo bá rí mẹ́sẹ̀dà tó yìí
kúrò bíbá yìí.
àti Nọ́símọ̀. ṣe rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o àwọn iléèwé wọ́n ń protect ọmọ pé káyé ọmọ má bàjẹ́ àwọn òbí kò gbà kí làwọn afẹ́ ṣe ènìyàn kò fẹ́ òtítọ́ Ọlọ́run kò fẹ́ràn ọ̀rọ̀ kò dẹ̀ pé mẹ́ta ṣẹ́ráyé àṣìwà àti náà fi pákéjì sọ̀rọ̀ wọn ni Nọ́símọ̀ tù.
You see that?
ẹ̀yin òbí ni mo bá wọn
I am talking to you
àti alágbàtọ́
and the guardian.
ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ máa ń tọ́ ọmọ bàjẹ́
Those people that does not
ẹ̀yin
bring
tẹ́ ẹ
the
máa ń
child.
tọ́ ẹgbọ́n náà ẹgbọ́n mi dáadáa
Hear me well.
ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé kí lorúkọ tèmi
You are asking what my name is.
alàgbàsà kété
Hear me well. I am
ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé kí lorúkọ tèmi
Alabasa.
ìjọ ojú kòkòrò evangelical ministry
The ministry of Ojukokoro.
ṣe ń gbọ́ mi dáadáa
Can you hear me?
ṣe ẹni tá a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ pa ilé ni
Guess what we want to talk about now?
kì í ṣe bá fẹ́ kú ẹnìkan ṣe ẹni tá a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ pa ilé ni ṣùgbọ́n àwa
Guess what
òbí
we want to talk about now? We are talking directly to the parents.
ẹ̀yin olówó yìí ṣùgbọ́n àwa
You the rich
òbí
ones.
ẹ̀yin
We
tẹ́
are
ra
talking
iPhone
directly to the
300,000
parents.
fọmọ olówó
You
yìí
the wealthy one that buy
ẹ̀yin
iPhone.
tẹ́ ra mọ́tò fọmọ lọ sí school
You the wealthy one that buy cars.
ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ra sọ pé bí ìmọ̀ bá kú.
But there is a proverb that says when there is a fire dies,
bí náà bá kú
when fire dies,
á fi ọmọ ẹ̀ rọ́pò.
we will use his child as a substitute.
gbogbo owó tó ń gbé yín nínú yìí.
All those money
We
that
use
is
his
really
child
making you to feel on top of the world,
àwọn ọmọ yín náà ló máa jogún ẹ̀.
really will be making you to
àwọn
feel
ọmọ
on top
tẹ́
of the
tẹ́ tọ́tọ́
world.
ọmọ yín náà ló máa jogún ẹ̀.
That child you are training unnecessarily will be the one to inherit
tẹ́
it.
bá wá tọ́ wọn báyìí ló máa jogún ẹ̀. tí wọ́n ti mọ owó sí.
Now they've known the money
tí wọ́n ti
will
mọ láìpẹ́ sí náà ló máa
Now they know
jogún
what
ẹ̀.
life is
tí wọ́n
all
ti
about.
gbọ́ oríṣiríṣi orin nísìnyí.
Now they are listening to different kind of content. So training when they are still young.
tí wọ́n mọ kankan yìí. ọmọ yín náà ló máa jẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀rọ wọ́n lọ́rùn.
Child, you are training
ìwọ̀n orí wọn
unnecessarily
two
with
to
work.
12,000 wọ́n ṣe ló máa
You are spending extravagant on your kids, spending different kind of money. On your kids, fixing nails for the school.
ẹ̀ ń rò pé ìyà ò dáa ẹ̀ ń rò pé ìyà
You are thinking poverty.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ìyà ò dáa
Poverty
bẹ́ẹ̀
is
ìyà ò
not
dáa
good.
ìyà ò
Poverty is
dáa
not good.
lóòótọ́ ìyà ò dáa
Poverty is
lóòótọ́
not good too.
ṣùgbọ́n ó yẹ kí ọmọ ẹ̀ experience ayé
Let your child experience what life is
tí ọmọ tẹ fẹ́fẹ́ yìí náà fún rẹ̀
Oh, is this the child you want to live for? Child you want to live for? Is this how you want to train your child? You want to train your child? Do not spoil your child. Train your child. Train your child. Oh, you'll be thinking, you'll be blaming the school. You'll be blaming the school. Thinking, you'll be blaming. Train your child from the house.
ilé ìwé ọmọ ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti inú ilé.
Be a guardian. Be a responsible parent.
àwọn olóyìnbó kan pé charity begins at home.
The popular word says charity begins at the home.
ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀ ní pé ilé láti kó ẹ̀sọ́ ròde.
Simply means train your child from the house. Be from the house.
Daddy, mommy, governor,
Honorables.
lawmakers. ẹ̀yin alágbára ìlú.
All the wealthy and powerful people. Those people will subject us.
báwo lẹ ti sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yín.
How are you training your child?
ohun tí ẹ rí yẹn.
Training your child. That thing you saw.
ohun tí ẹ rí yẹn.
Please.
ohun tí ẹ rí yẹn.
That thing you I greet you on Facebook. Thank you. Follow us on Facebook.
Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà
Follow Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà.
lórí YouTube wa,
and our YouTube
lórí channel wa,
and our YouTube channel.
official Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà TV,
Official Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà
official Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà TV,
Official Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà.
lórí Instagram náà bákan náà.
Even on Instagram,
Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà
Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Even on
lórí
Official Baba
TikTok
Ìjẹ̀ṣà.
náà.
Even on Official Baba
Baba
Ìjẹ̀ṣà.
Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà.
Follow us on Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà. God will not leave you. May you not be put to
Gbogbo
shame.
ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi.
All our lovers, all our lovers,
subscribe sórí YouTube channel.
all my lovers, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, believe you. You will reap the fruit of your labor. The fruit of your labor. You will not sport. You will not sport. You will not be destroyed. You will not be destroyed.
Bàbá wa Aláàfin.
Yes, so may his soul rest in perfect peace.
Wọ́n ti lọ sinmi.
Yes, is in yes rest is
Wọ́n ti
in.
lọ sinmi.
Yes. Our Father is rest. Our Father is rest. Our Father is rest. Father is rest. May his soul, may God protect his family. May God protect his soul. May God protect his May Almighty God protect all his family and all his family and his. May all your people reap the fruit of their labor. May all your people never die of their labors. Those people that are still living. Where are we going? Where are we